We have a Crippen Century Pro 588 seed cleaner. This unit has been completely rebuilt by us at Commodity Traders International. Complete new shoes, hopper wood, all the wood has been replaced. New shafts, bearings, everything disassembled and gone through. This machine is set up in a scalp, 3 sifts on the bottom. Top shoe is 50-50 scalp. Bottom shoe is 3 parallel sift screens. This machine has one 10-horse motor to drive everything. Also has magnehelic gauges for the upper air and bottom air. It is very important, if you have one of these machines, that you keep the unit timed correctly. This is a 1997 model that has been completely rebuilt.